Intellectual property protection is a complex and often evolving area of law that presents different issues and challenges in different sectors. Let's consider IP protection in software. Patenting of software has constantly been subject to controversies and debates. Even if an algorithm can be copyright protected, it may be difficult to determine what constitutes an original work of authorship. Some countries like the US provide software patents, but it is often quite difficult to obtain one, and the standards of patentability may be unclear. And this eventually leads to software patent wars. Open source software possesses another huge challenge to IP protection. Given the nature of open source licenses, it allows free use, distribution, and modification of software. This can further create a lot of confusion regarding ownership and control of the code, and who owns the IP for content created using algorithms. Well, if this is all about software IP, let's look at protecting the IP in the pharmaceutical industry. The pharma industry is one of the most regulated industries, and intellectual property plays a crucial role in development and commercialization of new drugs. But again, this industry is also fraught with a number of challenges and is fast evolving in terms of IP. Generics and biosimilars disrupt the traditional model of drug development and IP. At the same time, the high cost of drug is often a major issue in the pharma industry, especially for life-saving medications. Counterfeiting and piracy of drugs and medicines pose significant risks to public health. Balancing the need for innovation and profitability is critical with the need for affordable and accessible medicines to society at large. IP also plays a crucial role in the entertainment, media, and sports industry. You must have heard about popular artists being sued by musicians for allegedly copying a song, or a film producer being sued by an author of a novel for adapting the work without prior consent. There are several legal considerations that come into play, like licensing agreements, fair use, and the use of copyright materials in parodies. What about sports? Have you ever thought of how many forms of intellectual property rights can be protected in a single game of, say, tennis or basketball? Right from the sports equipment to the gears that the sportsperson used, the media rights for sports events and leagues, and all involve several aspects of IP. What about trademarks and logos that leagues and teams own? IP in this industry is just overwhelming. These are just a few illustrations. Likewise, with industries like semiconductors, biotechnology, traditional knowledge, and IP sharing. This course focuses on such sector-specific areas of IP where industry experts share the nuances of IP protection in their industrial activities. You get a kaleidoscopic view of how intellectual property plays a key role in innovation in particular sectors and issues and challenges in their enforcement. This would also help you identify your areas of interest in pursuing IP practice. So welcome to the course.